a feisty one. Alright, buddy. He swallowed this thing. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it out. Alright, we're gonna try not to make too much of a mess. You're a bitch. Dude, I might have to keep you just because you fucking swallowed this thing. Dude, how did you do that? Ended up having to keep a pike because he swallowed my lure.
I was wondering what was going on over there. I'm actually turning around and
see what we got. .584. That seems about right.